Why pray again, beat makers? Esoteric TV back with another one, you see me? Alright, so today, we are work on a Javo Donn Type Beat, you see me? We are going to mimic Encrypt, you see me? Me cash up hot, you see me? That song there, yeah. Alright. So the first thing I do, I go up on Google and I type in Javo Donn Encrypt key and BPM. I find it on TuneBot. It tell me say the key is C sharp minor and the BPM is 124, but I don't believe that still. The key we correct, but the BPM I'm not so sure about that because 124 either too fast or too slow. You see me? If you work in a double time, that's too slow, and if you work in a normal time, that's too fast. You see me? So me just choose a BPM 91. You see me? What sound close? I'm not sure if I it, but that me I work with. You see me? And then now we figure out the elements why not the beat. So we got a piano. We got the piano here is Black Forest from Analog. We got a Vox. I'm not sure if this me I gonna use, but a arcade me I use. I'm not sure if this exact vocal sample me I gonna use, but we got that. Then we got some strings, staccato from Flex. Then we have the drums, you see me? 808 kick, snare, rim, hi-hat, and a crash. You see me? Alright. So we could start. So for the melody, we can just start at the bass key for now, to see how it go. And we just follow the rhythm of the progression. So as you can hear it go, tununum. So that would have sound something like you see me? And this key is C sharp minor. And then it sounds like it drops, so you go, tununum. Then we are going to try this one. No, that doesn't sound like it. So we are going to try this. Yeah, that sounds more like it. And this is A major, isn't it? A major. Yep, and then this a B major. Isn't it? So them three key there are the chord progression. Yeah. And that it for the melody, isn't it? Then now for the Vox. Not so sure about a sample, yeah. Yeah, it don't sound bad. It don't sound bad at all, isn't it? I'm not so sure about the last part. So you know, I'm at this. Just leave it at this. And then now for the chorus part, we have the strings. Yeah, we can't left that there, so. You see me? Then what we are gonna do now, we're dropping some drums. And then what we are gonna do, we are dropping a kick roll at the end, yes, so. And for the hi-hat, very simple. I drop in a roll also. So I do so Control L, Control U. I change the velocity a little bit. This song kind of distracting as Alright, that's not bad. That ain't bad. Alright, so 8 of your time I know. I'll copy the kick. Control L. Then we just line up with bass notes. Oh, alright, that's on jumble up, so cut itself. Then we go yes, so. That. Yeah. It just sound better when it up a C6. Me hear one little style where it's like them pan toward the 808 them, so that me I go do. I pan this one totally to the left, and pan this one totally to the right. Me say I go. Yeah, it sound bad. Add a little bit more rhythm to 808. So I can go on. Yeah, that can work. Yeah, so that look like a type beat, you know, brother. That look like a type beat, folks. I'm also a gone. Mixing time. So we are pan one of the rim them to the left, about 50%. And we are pan the next one to the right, about 50%. We are going to pan the hi-hat to the left, about 30%, pan the crash to the right, about 40, isn't me? Alright, so the mixing, you know, the piano did have little delay in it, so we have dropped some delay in it. But first thing first, we have to clean up. Cut out them sub frequency, yeah? As you can see it on the parametric EQ, you have sub up to here. You see me? Right, that's about 80. Then you have bass, go up to about 250, lower mids and so forth. You see? Alright, that sound clean. So we are just dropping a piece of delay. Filter Vox. Then we are going to start out with strings. Alright. Me I cut out some of the highs for the rim them, come want them sound more in the background. And I gonna add a sound goodizer, put it at channel, that one there. Alright, sound goodizer now go on. Alright, and the sound goodizer the problem, too much highs, come out. Alright, that's not bad. And that sound like it, you see me? Me catch sharp hot. Yeah. So that I encryption type beat, you see me? But I do the arrangement, but you don't know arrangement go already, you see it? Yeah. So you don't know the drill. That I it for today. I mean see you doing the next one, you see me?